Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing to you the definition of trigonometric ratio and its function. So, what is trigonometric function? In trigonometry, there are 6 trigonometric ratios that relate the angle measures of a right triangle to the length of its side. Remember, a right triangle contains a 90-degree angle. A right triangle can be formed from an initial side x and a terminal r, where r is the radius and hypotenuse of the right angle. The Pythagorean theorem tells us that x squared plus y squared is equals to r squared. Therefore, r is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. Theta is used to level a non-right angle. The 6 trigonometric functions can be used to find the ratio of the side lengths. The 6 functions are sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Below, you will see the ratios formed by this function. Sine theta is equals to y all over r, also referred to as opposite side all over hypotenuse. Cosine theta is equals to x all over r, also referred to as adjacent side all over hypotenuse. Tan theta is equals to y all over x, also referred to as opposite side all over adjacent side. These 3 functions have 3 reciprocal functions. Cosecant theta is equal to r or oval y, which is the reciprocal of sine theta. Secant theta is equals to r all over x, which is the reciprocal of cosine theta. Cotangent theta is equals to x all over y, which is the reciprocal of the tan theta. You may recall a little something called SOHCAHTOA to help you remember the function. So, which means sine is equals to opposite all over hypotenuse, and then ka as cosine is equal to adjacent all over hypotenuse, then toa as tangent is equals to opposite all over adjacent. So, let's have an example. But before we can find the values of the 6 trigonometric ratios, we need to find the length of the missing side. So we can use r is equals to square root of x squared plus y squared from the Pythagorean theorem. Our x squared is 5, which is the adjacent, while our y squared is 12, which is our opposite side, times by itself. So square r is equals to square root 5 squared plus 12 squared is equals to square root 5 times 5 is equals to 25 plus 12 plus 12 is equals 12 times 12 is equals to 144. Then 25 plus 144 is equals to 169. Then square root of 169 is equals to 13, which is our 13 is our hypotenuse or our radius. Now we can find the values of the 6 trigonometric functions. Sine theta is equals to opposite all over hypotenuse, which is our opposite is 12 and our hypotenuse is 13. Cosecant theta is equals to hypotenuse all over opposite is equals to 13 over 12. Cosine theta is equals to adjacent all over hypotenuse is equal to 5 over 13. Secant theta is equals to hypotenuse all over adjacent is equals to 13 all over 5. Tangent theta is equals to opposite all over adjacent is equals to 12 all over 5. Cotangent theta is equals to adjacent all over opposite is equals to 5 all over 12, and that's all.